So I'm getting ready to check the windshield washer fluid in my Ford Explorer. This one happens to be a 2006, so this video will cover a 2006 to 2010 Ford Explorer. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So the windshield washer tank is located, the reservoir is located on the passenger side of the truck, right up near the front, and it's right next to the radiator reservoir. So you just twist the cap, and there's a little bit down inside in there. So I'm going to top it off. So make sure you get a bottle of halfway decent wiper fluid. You don't want to put water in this, especially if it's cold out, because it could freeze and crack your wiper reservoir because it's plastic. So just you can fill it up and top it off. And it should take about a gallon. This one had a little bit in it already. So you can fill it up until the fluid gets up to, right about a couple inches beyond the spout right here. And then when you're done filling it up, you put the cover back on, twist it, and make sure it's in place. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.